Hi everyone, I'm Christine Josty of Mail Something Pretty, and I wanted to hop on real quick today to show you what my August special is. Sometimes that's hard to show you with photographs, so I just figured I would show you. So for August, so there's a few days left, I'm doing a special. If you spend $100 of Stampin' Up! Products, you will get a few free things from me. You'll get some Sale-a-bration items, so you can choose 2 or 1 Sale-a-bration item from here, or they actually added on some new products, so that you can see online. I will send you a Wink of Stella. It's a glitter pen, so you can just color over what you want to have a little glitter. It's nice because it's mess-free. You don't have to worry about glue or glitter spilling everywhere. And I will also send you a pack of these festive gems. So they are red, kind of succulent, silver and gold adhesive back gems. And the thing that I really wanted to show you that's hard to show you in a photograph is I'll send you an exclusive tutorial, which means you won't be able to find it on YouTube. I won't be sending it to anyone except the people who participate in my August special. So I'm going to show you how to make an envelope, and you can use any papers. So really what I'm going to show you is the construction of how to make the envelope. And you open it up. See if I can do it this way. And the card slips out. So there's your envelope. And then here's your card. And so I'm going to open it up in a second, but I'm going to show you how to cut, because it's actually 2 pieces of cardstock, how to cut on the angle, and how to put it together. So I kind of tied mine together with a ribbon. Again, you can use any papers you have. The only special tools you need really is a paper cutter, a score, and a ruler. So anyone really can do this by following the directions. So this opens up. Oh, let's see, here we go. It opens up like, so kind of like that way, opens up this way, and then the back has, there, I made a mistake, so I have to seal it up, but I want to do the video first to show you what my mistake was and how to fix it, so that wasn't supposed to pop off. So anyways, this is the card, so I'm going to show you how to cut it, how to score it, and how to cut the angle, how to cut the angles on the designer series paper. And I'm going to actually have other samples with different kind of designs, but the construction of the card would be the same. So that's why I wanted to hop on real quick today, just to show you, this is my August special. I'll show you how to make this, and you'll get some few free things also. So in the description, the comments, I will put a link on how to shop. I will also put a host code, because I believe, yep, that is backwards. So I'll put that in there. If you have any questions, please email me or message me and I'll get back to you. But there's just a few days left of August. So thank you very much. Bye-bye.